Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are doing well and maintaining good health. I am Dr Smruti and I welcome you all to Etuson, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students which is developed in Odisha. If you believe in quality education, then you are in the right platform. As in Etuson, we provide quality education which will definitely help you to build your career. Then what are you waiting for? Please download the eTuition app immediately so that you can avail all the facilities at your fingertips. So children, without wasting much time, let us start today's class. So today we are going to discuss how to solve a pair of linear equation in two variables which is initially not in standard form. So you have to bring it to a reducible form, then you can solve it. So let us understand what is this concept all about. So are you all ready for that? So let us start. So as I was telling you that the type of problem which we are going to solve today, so it will be not in the standard form of linear equation. What is standard form of linear equation? It is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Correct or not? So in this section, we shall discuss the solution of such pair of equation which are not linear but can be reduced to linear form by making some suitable substitution. Okay, so let us understand this concept by taking some of the examples. So, our first example, solve the pair of equation. So, you have two equations here. So, 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13. 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. So, both the equation are not in standard form. Correct or not? Are not in standard form. What is your standard form of equation? Your standard form of equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Correct or not? But these two equations, are they in this form? No. So what shall we do? Then what we will do is we will do some substitution for that. Okay children? So let us understand how we are going to solve it. So now first what I will do is I will just write down this equation in form of this, that is 2 into 1 by x plus 3 into 1 by y is equal to 13. Can I write in this form? Right or not? Similarly, the second equation 5 into 1 by x minus 4 into 1 by y is equal to minus 2. Now, let us consider that let us consider that 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. Okay, so wherever 1 by x is there, we are going to substitute it by p and 1 by y by q. Then what will be your pair of linear equation then? It will be 3, you have first 2, right? So, let us write down. So, it is 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. Correct or not? So this will be your first equation. Similarly, what will be your second equation? It is 5p minus 4q is equal to minus 2. So now this two pair of linear equation is in standard form. So now these two equation we can solve by any of the method which we have discussed in the previous videos. So let us take elimination method. So if you use the elimination method, so we have to multiply a non-zero number so that we can just multiply it and we can eliminate any of the variable. So let us multiply the first equation with 5. So that is 5 into 2p plus 3q is equal to 5 into 13, that is 65. Similarly, second equation, let us multiply with 2. So that is 5p minus 4q, that is equal to minus 4. Okay. So now let us solve it. So let me write down here itself, that is 10p plus 15q is equal to 65. Similarly, what will be your second equation? It is 10p minus 8q is equal to minus 4. Now, if you subtract both the equation, what you will get is, you will get 15 plus 8q, because minus and minus, so that will become 23q is equal to your 69. So, can I write it here? So, that is, we have got 23q is equal to 69. What about q then? Q is equal to 69 divided by 23, that is equal to how much? 3. So, what will be your p value then? So, let us take any of the equation. 2p plus 3q equal to 13. So, I am taking the first equation. So, let me write here 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. So, 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. So, let us put q is equal to 3. So, you have, it implies 2 into p plus 3 into 3 is equal to 13. Then what will be the value of p then? So, your 2p will be equal to 13 minus 9, that is 4. So, what is the value of p then? P is equal to 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So, now what is p we have considered initially? It is 1 by x. What is q we have considered initially? That is 1 by y. Correct or not? Then what will be the value of y? It implies your y will be equal to 1 by 3 and your x will be equal to 1 by 2. So, what is your solution value then? So, your solution value is x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. So, this is how, by bringing it to a reducible form, then you can solve it in a easiest method. Correct or not, children? Hope you have understood this problem. Now, let us take one more example. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So, what are our given equations here? 5 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 2. And the second one is 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Now, tell me, these two equations, are they in standard form? What is our standard form? Again, I am repeating, it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So, this is not in standard form. So, what we can do is, we can reduce it to a standard form by substituting something. So, what we are going to substitute here? So, can you see something common in both the equation? In both the equation, we have, in the first term, denominator is x minus 1 and in the second term, it is y minus 2. So, what I will do is, I will take 1 by x minus 1 as p and 1 by y minus 2 equal to q. So, let us write down. So, just rewrite the first equation like this. Can I rewrite in this form? That is 5 into 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 into 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 2. Can I write in this form? Okay. Now, second equation. 6 into 1 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 1. That is second equation. Now, what I told you? So, let us put 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to p and 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to q. So, what will be your pair of linear equation then? It is 5p plus q is equal to 2. So, let us name it equation 3. Correct or not? Similarly, your fourth equation will be 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. Correct or not? So this will be your fourth equation. Now we can solve this pair of equation by any of the method. So I am taking elimination method. So what I will do is I will multiply 3 to the first equation. So when you are multiplying any number to the left hand side, you need to multiply to the right hand side also. Correct or not, children? Hope you remember it. Okay. So now I am not multiplying anything to the fourth equation because by multiplying 3 you are getting plus 3, and if you add minus 3 it will become 0 because now I am trying to eliminate the q variable. So let us write down the fourth equation as it is. Okay. So now what will be your third equation? When multiplied with 3 it will be 15p plus 3q is equal to 6. Correct or not? Okay. So now this fourth equation is 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. Now what I am doing is I am just adding it up. We can add it or we can subtract it. By adding 3q get plus 3q minus 3q get cancelled out. So what you will get? You will get 21p is equal to 7. Correct or not? 21p is equal to 7. Then what will be your p value then? Your p is equal to 7 divided by 21, that is 1 by 3. Now I can put this p value in any of the equation to find out your q value. So you remember what was your the third equation which you have obtained, that was 5p plus q is equal to 2. Correct or not? So let us check it whether I am writing correct or not. 5p plus q is equal to 2. So what I will do, I will just put in place of p 1 by 3. So what will be your q value? So q is equal to 2 minus 5p. That is 2 minus 5 into 1 by 3. So what you are getting here again? For q also you are getting q is equal to 1 by 3. So now remember what we had taken p. P is equal to 1 divided by x minus 1. Correct or not? Remember this. P is equal to 1 divided by x minus 1. So I will write the same here. So P is equal to 1 divided by x minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 3. It implies your x minus 1 is equal to 3, and it implies what will be your x value? X is equal to 4. Correct or not? Similarly, you remember what I had taken for q? Let us check it. In the previous slide, q is equal to 1 divided by y minus 2. Correct or not? So let us write down the same here. Q is equal to 1 divided by y minus 2. That is equal to 1 by 3. Correct or not? So what will be your y value then? So y minus 2 is equal to 3. So y is equal to 5. So what are your solution values then? So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Understood, children? Okay. Now let us take one more example. A boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. Okay. Determine the speed of the stream and that of boat in still water. So, first we need to form the equation here. So, what we will do, we will consider like this. Let us consider the speed of boat P, speed of boat P x kilometer per hour. Okay, and speed of steam, speed of stream B y kilometer per hour. Okay, then what will be the resultant speed of the boat in the upstream direction? So the resultant speed in upstream is equal to x minus y kilometer per hour. Okay. Similarly, the resultant speed in downstream will be equal to x plus y kilometer per hour. That means when we are going upstream, the speed of the stream is going to oppose you. Okay, and when you are going in the downstream direction, it is going to support you. Okay, children. Now, this speed we are going to use to find out the time. So now what is the relationship between time, distance and speed? You remember? So time is equal to distance. Time is equal to distance divided by speed. Correct or not? Time is equal to distance divided by speed. Correct or not? So now a boat goes 30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream in 10 hours. That means the summation of time taken to cover the distance in upstream direction, that is 30 kilometer, about 30 kilometer distance, and the time taken to cover 44 kilometer in the downstream direction, the summation of both the time duration is equal to 10 hours. Okay. So what I will write is, okay, so let us consider in the upstream, the first timing is T1 to cover your how much distance? 30 kilometer. And what is your resultant speed? That is x minus y. And suppose in the downstream direction, how much distance the boat is covering? It is 44. And what is the resultant speed in the downstream? It is x plus y. Now according to the question, T1 plus T2 is equal to 10. So can I write 30 divided by x minus y plus 44 divided by x plus y is equal to 10. Correct. So this will be your first equation. Similarly, the second equation, let us read out the statement now. In 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream. So, in the same manner, I can write down the second equation. In the upstream, it will be 40 divided by x minus y, the time taken, plus in the downstream, it is 55 divided by x plus y. That is equal to, what is the summation of the both the time taken in the upstream and downstream direction? It is 13. Correct or not? Now these two equations, are they in standard form? Definitely not. So what I will do? I will just consider some variable for x minus y. Let 1 by x minus y is equal to u. I am taking u and v because u stands for speed and velocity, right? So I am taking that notation. You are free to choose any of the variable, don't worry. Okay, so 1 divided by x plus y is equal to v. So can I write down the equation like this? That is 30u plus 44v is equal to 10. And 40u plus 55v is equal to how much? 13. So this is your equation 3 and this is your equation 4. Okay, so now I can use again I am using elimination method. I can use any method to solve it. So what I will do here, I will try to eliminate the u variable here. So to eliminate the u variable, can I multiply 4 to the first equation and 3 to the second equation? I can write, right? So I need one more page. So let us go to the next page. So let me write down the equation first. That is 30u plus 44v is equal to 10, and 40u plus 55v is equal to 13. Hope I have written correctly. Let us check. Yes, it is correct. So now, as I was telling you, we are going to multiply it with 4. That is the first one. And the second one with 3. So, as I am multiplying the number to the left hand side, I need to multiply the same to the right hand side also. It implies what you will get. So, you will get 120u plus 44v. So, that is 176v is equal to 40. Correct? Similarly, the second equation, so that is 120u plus 55 into 3, that is 165v is equal to 13 into 3. How much? It is 39. So 176 plus 165. So now can I subtract it? If you will subtract it, you will get that 11v is equal to 1. And what is the v value? V is equal to 1 divided by 11. V is equal to 1 divided by 11. Now I will substitute this value of 1 by 11 in any of the equation. Now any of the equation, so I am just taking 30u plus 44 v is equal to 10. Now substitute v is equal to 1 by 11. So you will get 30u plus 44 into 1 divided by 11 is equal to 10. So this becomes 4, right? So what will be your value of u? So u is equal to, so 10 minus 4, it is 6. So 6 divided by 30. So that is equal to 1 divided by 5. Now, what is u? U is equal to 1 divided by x minus y. Correct or not? What is v? So v is equal to 1 by 11. So that is equal to 1 divided by x plus y. It implies your x minus y is equal to 5 and your x plus y is equal to 11. Correct or not? Now just what you do, you know. So now you just look at these two equations which you have obtained now. Equation 5 and equation 6. Now if you add both the equation, directly your y variable is getting cancelled. Correct or not? So in that case, adding this equation, you get adding equation 5 and 6. You get what? You get 2x is equal to 16. Then what will be your x value? X is equal to 8 kilometer per hour. What we have considered x? X is the boat speed. Okay, x is the boat speed or speed of the boat. Then what will be your y value? Just substitute in any of the equation. So your y is equal to 11 minus x, that is 3 kilometer per hour. So this is your stream speed. This is your stream speed. So students, you remember, first you need to find out what is the common variable which can be substituted by another variable to bring it to the standard form. After bringing it to the standard form, it is simple. By any of the method, you can solve it. Then substitute initially what you have taken the variable. Then again solve that, and you can find out the original value of x and y. Correct, children? Hope you have understood this concept. Okay, children. Thank you for your patient hearing. If you have liked the video, please subscribe our channel. Please do follow us in YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to download the Etuson app. Okay, children. Take care of yourself. Bye. Keep smiling.